Hi, welcome to another episode of TC's Anything Goes. Okay, so what we have here today is the DJI Ronin S gimbal for DSLRs. Alright, I'm not going to do an unboxing video, but I am going to show you how we modify the hard case to put in this carbon fiber extension rod as well. Alright, items that we will need is anything that is about the same size as the extension rod, a knife, and more knives. Alright, so let's get to it. Alright, so there you have it guys, how we modify the DJI Ronin S hard case so that you can actually put in the carbon fiber extension rod. All we really needed was just something of similar size to measure, because we can't actually put in the extension rod due to limited space. That's why we just find something smaller to put there so that we can actually measure and cut. Then all we need was a knife. Apparently this knife is much more useful than the cut box knives. Alright, so yeah, knife. Alright, so as you can see over here, you have the entire set of the gimbal here and the extension rod here. So wherever you go, you just carry the box, you have your extension rod with you. There's actually enough space to put another extension rod here or any other things actually. Alright. Alright. So thank you for watching. I hope you like this. If you do, hit the like. If you don't like, you know what to do. And please subscribe and hit the bell button so you know our new videos. Alright. Peace out.